I travel the world in search of unique sights, first-hand experiences, and cultures best understood through the people who live them. My next destination, Socotra.
In a world of green, just like a dream.
Socotra is a remote island in the Arabian Sea, and it belongs to Yemen. Roughly 5 times the size of Singapore, it is known for its surreal landscapes and rare plant life, a place that feels untouched by time. I hesitated before coming here, deterred by news of war in mainland Yemen. But after careful research, I finally took the plunge, traveling with a local agency to explore one of the most unique islands on planet Earth.
When the sun comes back, you'll see.
I flew into Dubai in the early hours of December. From above, the city's dazzling lights glittered like diamonds scattered along the desert shore.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Landed in Dubai. Now I'm going to catch a connection to Abu Dhabi. As dawn broke, I settled into the 2-hour drive from Dubai to Abu Dhabi. The transfer was necessary as Emirates doesn't fly directly into Abu Dhabi from where I came from, and Abu Dhabi is one of the few gateways to Socotra Island. Along the highway, I noticed white markings on the road, used to help drivers gauge a safe distance from the vehicles ahead. Not long after, an alert sounded on our phones, a notification warning of an accident further up the highway. It made me wonder how authorities relay real-time updates to drivers on the road. Perhaps through GPS systems, I guess. I've reached downtown Abu Dhabi at the Emirates ticket office. Now I will have to take another Uber to my hotel. Another half an hour. This is my room for one night. This is where I stay for just one night in a nice room in a villa. Quite far away from everywhere else. I just need a place to stay for one night, which is near the airport. I'm inside the international airport, Abu Dhabi, and I need to look for a counter for Air Arabia check-in to Socotra. Let's take a look. I find it here at 8 o'clock. Right. 8 o'clock, Socotra, 3L476. There's a long queue over here. So many people are going to Socotra. My ticket to Socotra. And there was a little bit of confusion, I think. And finally I got through. I'm glad I got my ticket. So I'm on this flight. I was told that it only happens twice a week. Air Arabia, direct from Abu Dhabi to Socotra. So I'm going to check in now. See you later.
Hi, how are
Hello.
you? Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
It was just a 2-hour flight, yet a full meal was served. Very tasty indeed. Well done, Air Arabia. I'm in Socotra, welcome by the rain. So let's run to the shelter. At immigration, I requested not to have the Yemen stamp in my passport, so the officer stamped it on this piece of paper instead. I've cleared immigration, and this is my guide, Abdullah. Together with Abdullah, the team of 5 looked after me throughout the 7 days on the island, making me feel at home, safe and well fed. We proceeded to the west of the island, to a sit-down called Kalancia. Something caught my eyes, and I got down for a closer look.
And South Yemen.
Russia, ally of
South Yemen.
South of Yemen.
Russian tanks.
Several Russian tanks were stationed in Socotra during the Cold War, when the island was part of South Yemen. Thankfully, they were never put into use, and today they stand as rusty reminders that peace is never something we should take for granted. After lunch, at my request, my guide Abdullah brought me to meet another Abdullah. Although my travel agent was not keen on me visiting the so-called Caveman of Socotra, I wanted to see for myself how authentic the story really was. A quick internet search for the Caveman of Socotra brings up countless videos of this well-known figure. To reach his cave, we waded through shallow waters for about half an hour before arriving at what was, quite literally, a man cave.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, friend.
Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
thank you.
Come on. How are you?
Very good.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Abdullah.
Abdullah.
Yes. And you?
Kit. Kit.
Yes. Very, very quick. You're
Okay.
welcome. Yeah, man. For me, I need more.
Right.
Yeah. I need more sugar. Yeah. Because I ate seafood. I ate salty food. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, marhaba.
How long have you been staying here?
I'm born here.
Born in the cave?
Yeah, I'm born here and now 64 old.
You're 64?
Yeah.
So do you have family in the town?
In the city, my wife,
the
with
city.
my children, I had 15 kids.
15, 1-5.
9 died, 6 still
Oh.
alive, and 3 married.
Okay.
Old one, my son, 35. He have 4 kids.
So they all live in the city?
And the city is.
Right. So what are these? Shells on your...
This orca teeth, an orca inside, like a crocodile. When you
Oh.
look deep, you see orca scalp, like a crocodile. Look.
How do you learn to speak English?
From tourists.
From tourists?
You know,
Practice with the
before long time
Right.
ago, I have problem for English. Because I make Arabic with English.
Right.
Because some Arabic word for English, bad word.
Mm.
This Joe, call it Arabic fuck.
Okay.
Yeah.
It sounds vulgar.
Problem. When
Yeah,
we sleep
problem.
with the French lady there, I have big fuck and the kid. You want to know? She
Oh.
come to you crazy? I guess big fuck. She what is big fuck? When she come with me here, she's following. When she said this is your fuck crazy.
This is
I
your
don't understand.
job.
When we go to come, she asked guide. Guide told me no English after this time because you speak
Ah.
bad word for lady.
Right.
And now I speak some Polish, Russia, Italian, some Spanish, little different.
Arabic.
Chinese, ni hao,
Ni hao.
tisi, hoche.
So you have stayed here for 60 over years?
Yeah, before my parents. Before my parents,
Ah.
his parents. Like this.
His grandfather.
Yeah.
Oh, so your grandfather also stayed
Yeah,
here?
people live in the kif. I remember my uncle kif there. My wife, she's born another kif.
Right.
And now all people, this kifs all in the city.
Okay.
Don't like kif because everything here far. Water is far.
Yeah.
And food is far. But for me, I like this nature. I like this view. I like stay here.
So where do you get your water?
Every tourist day, I go to wife.
Your water from the city?
From city, and when come rain, drop water there. I put some plastic for water. And now I think this week stormy,
Yes.
cloudy, and rain is coming because she's dropping salty now. She's dropping
Oh,
salt.
salt water.
Yeah, some water here when you taste it, very salty.
Right.
Because when she knew storm is coming, she's dropping salt.
Oh, you have other
Welcome.
tourists.
You're welcome.
You have other tourists.
These guys seem to be YouTube bloggers, maybe with thousands of subscribers, while my channel has only 100. Caveman Abdullah began repeating his story once again. I wondered how many times he has to tell it every day. Abdullah may live like a caveman, but he clearly keeps up with the times. He told us that the tourist had donated a solar panel to power some of his electrical devices, including his mobile phone. I later learned from my guide that he had to call ahead to inform Abdullah of our visit. Abdullah then showed us how he gathers his food from the sea.
Oyster, try. One try. You tried?
It tasted alright, but the texture felt powdery.
أقول لك غرض به غرض به. This one.
This one is
This
yours.
one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's probably unlimited free oyster. I don't understand because at some point, right?
Oh, I see.
There is no more oyster at some point. I don't understand.
Try one more.
Oh, I taken. Thank you.
One more.
One more.
What is this?
No, it's a cucumber. Chinese, eat it. Very good. Eat.
No.
Take. Are you looking for razor clam? Yeah, razor clam. Very good.
Slimy sea cucumber. What do you call this again?
You do
It's a clam.
razor clam.
Razor clam.
Yeah, razor, because razor is very sharp.
Right. Yeah, I
Yeah.
can have half and you can have it.
Yeah, we have
the other
this
half.
for this lady. She want one more.
Okay, thank
But
you.
I think this lady she have no husband.
Razor clam. It's crunchy. Not much taste, but it's, yeah, crunchy. After about 40 minutes, we bid farewell to the caveman. On our way back, we passed another group of tourists heading to meet him. It made me wonder whether tour agents regularly arrange these visits, with the caveman being tipped for the interactions. That evening, back at the campsite, I was treated to a welcome dinner of lobster. As I savored the sumptuous meal, I couldn't help but think about the caveman. Would I be happy and content living with such bare essentials? As a city boy, I would miss many modern comforts. But I believe this week on this island would make me appreciate the simple joy of being close to nature, with little to no internet access.
Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold.
Do join me in my next video as I share more of my adventures on this remote island.